Hello everyone, we are Expend here. Today we'd like to show you our 6-notch parking station. Here you can see this is a black one and this one is white. Regarding the color, we can do black, white and any customized color. Just please send us your color code. Like this one, you can see it white with orange. Okay, you also see it comes with 6 pieces per base. And there is also an advertising stand here for you to put your advertising paper on this part. It's advertising paper on the charging station. Okay, you may want to know the material of this device. It's ABS fireproof. Let me show you. To show you the port, the interface of this device. Here is on the back side. You can see there is a USB-A port here. It's for you to connect a USB charging cable like this one. Okay, and near to this USB-A port, you can see the micro USB port is for updating the device, and also you can see the DC power port. Okay, and regarding the network of the device, it works with the 4G network, so we need to put the SIM card into the device. Let me show you the SIM card location here. Okay, here on the bottom side there is a cover like this. You need to open this cover, and then you can see the SIM card location. Okay, this one here, you can see the SIM card location. Next video, I will show you how it works.